Tutorial: Creating a Network Topology. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create, arrange, delete, and connect devices. To create a device, first select the device category and then the device subcategory. Then click on a specific device icon and click on the workspace. You can also drag a device icon into the workspace to create a device. To create multiple instances of a device, hold down the Control key while clicking on the device icon. Clicking either the device again or the pointer selection button will cancel the multiple device creation selection. The undo button allows for a user to go back a step. Click it to undo the creation of server 2. The redo button allows users to reverse the last undo operation. Click it to redo the creation of server 2. Click on undo again to remove the server from the topology. The Select tool is used to interact with objects in the PacketTracer workspace. To copy a device, this tool must first be selected. A duplicate of a device can be created with the Copy button. Click the Paste button to put a copy into the workspace. Click on Paste 2 more times to create 2 additional duplicates of the PC. To rearrange items on the workspace, click and drag the object. To select multiple devices, you can hold down the Shift key and click on each device or drag over all of the devices. Highlighted devices can also be moved around simultaneously. The Delete tool is used to delete a single or multiple objects in the workspace. Highlighted devices can be deleted simultaneously by clicking the Delete button or pressing the Delete key. Click the Delete button to delete the devices. A pop-up window will appear on the workspace to confirm the deletion of the selected devices. Create a 1941 router, a 2911 router, a 2960 switch, a PC, a printer, and a WRT300N wireless router. Click on the device to open its configuration window. The routers in PacketTracer do not have modules installed by default. Modules can be added in the Physical tab of the device configuration window. When adding or removing a module, the device must be turned off first. To add a module, drag it from the module list to an available slot on the device. Drag the module from the device to the module list to remove the module. Add serial interface modules to the 1941 and the 2911 routers. WIC dash covers can also be used to fill in empty module slots. Remember to turn the device back on after adding or removing modules. Connections can be made between devices using straight-through cables, crossover cables, serial cables, and other connection types. Click here to let Packet Tracer automatically choose the connection type. When there's a need for recabling devices, drag the link light at the device from which you want to remove the connection and select another device to set up a new connection. Links can also be reconnected from scratch by deleting existing cables. Appropriate connection types for the interfaces of two devices can also be chosen manually. To create multiple connections, hold down the Control key and click the desired connection type. Click here to cancel the multiple connection process. This ends the Creating a Network topology tutorial.